Start recording. Nope, we'll play a little bit while we're going. Sure, this is left hand. Yeah, all they tell you to do with these cameras is take pictures, have fun, don't think anything other than getting good shots, and then go back and put it together.
Yeah.
Because you're truly.
You'll have enough material to work with.
Too much. Think you know who this is. If you don't, you don't know. Old George.
I've been warmed by the rain, driven by the snow. I'm drunk and dirty. Don't you know that I'm still?
Can you help us?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Really?
I'll just talk to us.
And I was out on the road late at night. I seen my pretty Alice in
thank you.
every headlight. Alice. Dallas Alice.
Little Feet sang us, of course.
That's where I've heard that before.
Sometimes you can make music videos by playing a song and then try to stylize it. I would have to because I don't plan anything. I'm spontaneous. But that's it. We'll cut across here, okay? Perfect. So there will be a trail. You can already see it. It's cut by the trees.
Oh yeah, through there.
That big stretch there will be real tall weeds of fall, like prairie weeds.
Wow.
Like maybe it looked here 10,000 years ago. I don't know. And so then that goes in a U shape. It cuts out around there. That's a nice little path to take. Especially when everything in there turns red. I think it's maple trees.
Wow.
I was working out in song. I've been to Tucson, taking care of. I've been to Totopaw, that's in Nevada.
Oh yeah.
I haven't been to Hatchapee. That's California? I did drive the back roads.
Have you been to Lake Tahoe?
I'd take the weed. I'd leave the whites and wine at home. No. My buddy just went there for a family reunion.
Well, I haven't. Remember Maryland had a seminar there. It was just beautiful.
He went there just a month or so ago, and then his Long family, his wife's family, they're a big family from Wyoming. And so, Tahoe looked beautiful. Like Tahoe, just like everything else, is way below what it should be. Where people are going to get their drinking water from. Nobody talks about that. I understand right now it's about Donald Trump, but guys, that's gonna cause a depression right there.
Oh, I can't even imagine.
You talk about a recession. My kids think, well, a recession is just like inflation. No, a recession is when buildings aren't being built and they stop building them and people are looking for jobs.
Yeah.
You don't have a recession.
Have you seen the satellite photos of Lake Mead over time? Like 20 years ago, and then 10 years ago, and
2 years
5 years ago, and then now.
Yes, I have, and
it's really dramatic.
Big guys, maybe I'll send you a playlist of my favorite subscriptions on YouTube, because there's several guys that have their own channels that are in Vegas, and they go up to the lake and they show all this stuff. They talk about it and they even opinionate a little bit, but it's really good stuff.
Yeah.
You're hearing a lot of.
Just the time we were there, we saw a pretty significant change.
Well, this guy has a family in Vegas, and his parents are there, and he says Yeah, we do. Like other families now start having conversations about whether we want to stay here because they're all sitting on a housing bubble.
Oh yeah.
As soon as the first one sells, that's the only reason the politicians are trying not to panic.
Right.
Everybody's going to lose their shit.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. That's a political announcement. Yes. But it's happening right now and nobody's talking.
Nope.
Well, see, this is just now starting to grow. This will be up almost as high as the 4th of July. You know, native plants. They call them weeds and they chop them all down.
Oh wow.
This isn't really a trail. This just goes up into a little. It's almost like they parked a tractor or something.
So it doesn't really go anywhere.
No, I've been down there, but that one does. It goes all the way around.
Oh, this one does?
Yeah, that's the trail we saw over there.
Oh, okay.
It just goes in.
Oh, I got you now. For sure.
Oh. Let's listen to him. We have this stuff growing in our backyard. We don't treat the backyard because it's for the dog, but a lot of this stuff looks like tall grass and it's not. These are shoots of some kind of little thing that grows up to be wickedly tall. And it's a weed, dude, but it likes to cram everything else out. I forgot what that's called. Stuff new. And it grows tall and thick. I mean, if I didn't cut my grass every week, it might break the mower. So yeah, this is something I know will be a good experience here. I'll go right through the weeds. Eh? Somebody went to sleep there, probably a deer.
Well, it sure looks like it,
Yep.
doesn't it?
It's a deer trail. If not, they cut across the meadow to get down to the water. I think I know where they live. You good?
It's beautiful out there.
I've been taking pictures of clouds like crazy. I have a bunch of